I'm Thomas Eifert. I have the role of the CTO at the IT Center of RWTH Aachen University. The IT Center is one of the central IT providers for the university and across the university's boundaries. The university is a very exciting workplace, and we are constantly looking to keep up with times, and studying here simply makes you part of this team. Nowadays, the requirements, in particular to IT services, have grown very diverse and intense, and to match these requirements, collaboration among the IT services of various universities is essential as well. We found a product that matches all of our requirements, and we found a company that understands our special needs and helps us to fulfill these needs and to build up the environment we are talking about right now. Currently we use Commvault Backup and Recovery and Backup and Recovery for Cloud and Mail. Commvault are really understanding our particular needs and our requirements, and that they are really trying to support us in fulfilling these needs. We had a more than 2 years selection phase where we had a look on the market, sharpened our requirements to our future backup software, and at the end of this phase we had a public tender which was won by Commvault together with Cancom due to their comprehensive offering.